Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to properly set up Find My on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open Settings, then you want to swipe down, go to the Privacy and Security, then go to the Location Services, and then go to Share My Location. Once you are here, you can go to Find My iPhone. So make sure that Find My iPhone is on. As you can see, to turn it off, you need to get your Apple ID password. I don't want to turn off the Find My iPhone because this is a useful feature if you lose your phone or it gets stolen. Also, make sure that you have enabled the Find My network. So just click on this and make sure this button is green. If you want to turn it off, just click and disable. But you want to have Find My network because participating in the Find My network lets you create this iPhone even when it is offline and in power reserve mode and after shutdown. So even if your iPhone is going to be, offline, you're still going to get Find My iPhone because, as you can see, iPhone is going to connect to some free Wi-Fi's, use other options to send you the location to other Apple device even when it is offline. Also, you want to make sure to send you the last location, so it will automatically send the location of this iPhone to Apple when the battery is critically low. So make sure those three options are on, and from this time this is the most you can get out of Find My on iPhone. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!